Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a background blur in Figma. So if you want to create a background blur on your Figma design, the first thing that you want to do is to simply go ahead and put on the shape right here. Now, the first thing that I want to do is to simply edit out the color of my shape. In my case, I'm going to be coloring it on cyan. And from there, the second thing that you want to do is to simply copy and paste the image right here. But once again, you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. In my case, I'm done with this one since this is only a tutorial. Right after, you can just copy and paste the same thing right here. And to make things even better, let's go ahead and color this white. Now from there, to go ahead and make the background blur effect, you can just navigate through the effects button, and from here you then want to select the drop shadow and then select background blur. Now from here you can then go ahead and edit this the way you want to. For example, we have the value at 4. Of course, you can just go ahead and turn this into something like 10. Now to make the blur happen, you then want to navigate through the opacity and you can just go ahead and reduce it into something like 40%. And so basically, if we navigate back to the intensity of the blur, we can then go ahead and see the blur effect happening right here. So as you can see, we have managed to create a background blur effect on our Figma design. Now, if the background blur is not working for you, you can just go ahead and choose layer blur. And from there, you can then go ahead and customize the blur once again. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.